Salute, 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 Wild Country Daily Updates. Now, this article here, this is from CNN World. This article here was published at 9:24 a.m., December 27th, 2024. So, that was a month ago. NATO to boost Baltic Sea presence after power internet cable damage. Okay? This article here came out December 27th, 2024. All right? Now, here we are 2 days later. Not 2 days later. Here we are in January 2025, which this article was 2 days ago. This article was January 15th, 2025. Okay? Now, this one is NATO to deploy ships, aircraft in Baltic Sea after cable breaches. So let's go and see what's up. Now, it goes on to say, Helsinki NATO countries will deploy frigates, patrol aircraft, and naval drones. Naval drones. Could that be where the drones were coming from? In New Jersey and everywhere else in the United States? Could they be coming from that place right there? Makes you wonder, right? But let's go on and see what this article's saying. In the Baltic Sea to help protect critical infrastructure and reserve the right to take action against ships suspected of posing a security threat, alliance members said on Tuesday. The military and political alliance is taking the action dubbed Baltic Century following a string of incidents in which power cables, telecom links, and gas pipelines have been damaged in the wake of Russia's invasion of Ukraine in February 2022. Now, it goes on to say Finnish police last month seized a tanker carrying oil, Russian oil, and said they suspected the vessel had damaged the Finnish-Estonian Estlink 2 power line and 4 telecoms cables by dragging its anchor across the seabed. Finland's President Alexander Stubb said the damage on December 25th was definitely linked to Russia, allegedly. Now it goes on to say they're linked, certainly in the sense that the vessel was part of the Russian Shadow Fleet, and we know that the cargo of it was very Russian. The link is definitely there, Stubb told Reuters, adding, however, that it was too early to draw further conclusions on the attribution. And then it goes on to say, while the region is on high alert for fear of sabotage, the Polish army denied on Tuesday a local media report that said a Russian Shadow Fleet vessel was seen circling near the Baltic Pipe gas pipeline, stating that this did not happen. Finland's actions against the Eagle S tanker showed that vessels causing harm can be apprehended by law enforcement. NATO Secretary General Mark Rutte told a press conference following an 8-nation meeting in Helsinki on Tuesday. Potential threats to our infrastructure will have consequences, including possible boarding. Then NATO members are looking at targeting Russia shadow fleet in the area with sanctions as part of efforts to protect undersea critical installations. German Chancellor Olaf Scholz said following the meeting, "We will continue to take action against the Russian shadow fleet, including with sanctions that have already been introduced and others that may follow, including against specific ships and shipping companies that also pose a threat to the environment," Schultz told reporters. Some 2,000 ships are crossing the Baltic Sea every day, making it difficult to monitor it all. Latvian President Eggers said, "Let's face it, we can ensure 100% protection, but if we are sending a bold signal, then I think such incidents are going to decrease or even to stop," Rinkevics told reporters. Finland's President Alexander Stubb said further legal studies must be conducted to assess which measures can be taken against suspected rogue ships while preserving freedom of navigation rules. So now, let me know what your guys' opinion are in the comment section below. Hit that like button, share the video out. And do you think it's much bigger than what they're saying? Why? And also, why do they keep having that problem? Why do the cables and the telecoms keep on rupturing or whatever? Why? Is it old? Does it need to be updated? Or is somebody doing it in foul play? What's your opinion? Let me know in the comment section below. Until next time, peace out.